Here's a bar that came on a used chainsaw, and to make sure it doesn't cut in circles, I'm going along and trying to square up these top rails. Using this file and file holder, these are pretty inexpensive. Theoretically, this will ride along the side of the bar here and file both top rails evenly and give you a perfectly 90-degree surface. To find out if that's really happening, I've gone along and applied a marker to the tops of both of these rails. What I'll do now is I'll use the file and the file holder and draw again. Now here we can see that it cleaned up more on the right side than the left side. That could be because the right side needs more filing, or it could be that this actually isn't square. So I have to repeat the process on the other side and see if it changes. We see that the right side is still dark while the left side is cleaned up even more. So that tells me that this side needs more filing. Once they're both evenly cleaned up by a draw of the file, this top surface is perfectly 90 degrees to the side of the bar, and that should help the chain to cut as straight as possible.